Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2017 Chevrolet Impala LT Sedan. If you are looking for a spacious and comfortable sedan that offers an impressively smooth and quiet ride, then this Impala fits the bill perfectly. With a host of great features, including the 8-inch MyLink touchscreen infotainment and Bluetooth, this Impala, with the remainder of its factory warranty, offers a lot of bang for the buck. The interior has a pleasing design with lines that flow organically, creating a wraparound effect. The LT trim enjoys 18-inch alloy wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power lumbar adjustment for the front passenger seat, 3 USB ports and smartphone integration. To see the full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and put this sleek Impala through its paces and experience for yourself its secure and competent handling and overall comfortable ride quality. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.